You want to be the kind of developer they can't ignore, not the he kinda gets it kind, the wait, who built this kind.
Nah, I didn't do it. Or did I?
It's not about grinding more tutorials or jumping into yet another framework you'll forget next week. It's about one thing: be weirdly curious. Not just coding for the sake of coding, but coding because something gets under your skin so bad, you have to figure it out. Let me show you what that looks like. A while back, I got annoyed that every productivity timer on the web was either boring or had 37 features I didn't ask for. So, out of pure spite, I built my own. It had exactly 2 buttons, start and please don't make me go back to work. It looked horrible, but I coded for 6 hours straight without realizing it. Why? Because I wasn't learning to build a timer. I was building my timer, and that's when I realized something. You learn 10 times faster when you care about the outcome. It doesn't matter how basic or ridiculous the project is. If you want to see it work, your brain locks in. And when you're locked in, you don't forget what you're learning. You don't zone out halfway through. You hit a bug, and instead of giving up, you dig. You read the docs. You try 5 different solutions. You learn how to learn. That's the energy most developers miss. They treat programming like some productivity religion. Track your hours, follow the roadmap, hit your LEET code quota. But real growth, it doesn't come from discipline. It comes from interest. You want to be undeniable? Build things that you care about, even if no one else does. I once built a browser extension that replaced every ad with inspirational quotes from Gordon Ramsay. It was dumb, it was buggy. But I learned more from that one weekend project than I did from a month of serious coding. Because when it's yours, you're not just coding, you're experimenting, you're pushing your limits, and somewhere in that chaos, your skill levels up. You want to code so good they can't ignore you? Stop copying what everyone else is building. Stop waiting to feel ready. Pick something you care about, even if it's silly, and make it real. That's how you build muscle. That's how you gain instinct. That's how you write code that doesn't just work, but feels good to write. If this video made you feel better about where you're at in your coding journey, subscribe to Shade of Code. We're not here to fake it. We're here to build things that matter to us and get really good in the process.